Hi, everybody. If you're like me, you've collected a lot of bookmarks over your time in Round Rock ISD, and your bookmarks bar has gotten really bloated. Maybe you have that little carrot thing over here on the side that when you click on it has that drop down list of like 10 years worth of bookmarks. I wanted to show you a couple tricks that you can use just to kind of organize. This is one of those just kind of housekeeping things that, maybe on Monday in between parent conferences, you're like, I got a couple minutes, I could mess around with this. I wanted to show you something really nice. And if you notice on my bookmarks bar, I have a ton of these bookmarks that don't actually have any words next to them. So I'm going to show you how you can do that. Like, for example, right here, I've got the Spotify bookmark. And if I click on that, I know it's Spotify because I know the logo. If I click on that, I go straight to Spotify. And over here, I've got the YouTube and, TAC and eSchool Plus and all these different things, right? So these are called, you'll hear some people call them favicons or favicons. These are just the little icons that come with the website. And what what happens is, let's say if I go to, I'll just use Twitter. I already have a bookmark. I'll just bookmark it again. If I bookmark Twitter, I put it in my bookmarks bar. Okay, I just made a Twitter bookmark. Now, if you notice when I make that bookmark, it says home/Twitter. I know this is Twitter because of that icon right there. I don't need these words taking up space. If you right click on any bookmark in your bookmark bar, when you right click on that actual bookmark, you can go down here to the edit button. And when you click edit, like this one here, I know that this is Twitter. I'm just going to take the name and delete it and click save. Now I just have that little icon. You can also move your bookmarks anywhere you want on your bookmarks bar. So if you notice, I have all of my little non-worded favicons all in just the one spot right here. This is my go-to place. I'm going to delete that one because I already have it. That saves you a ton of space. Now, it doesn't work for everything, right? Like this Google form right here, every single Google form uses the exact same favicon. So I can't really change that one. I could, like this one here, assessment protocol. That's for like a document I needed. I don't know if I needed to say all of this stuff. I might just have it say interim cheat sheet. I don't know. Say, okay, it takes up a tiny bit less space. If I do that to all these different things, I can end up taking a bunch of bookmarks and fitting them into one place. Also, just in case you're not aware, you can also make folders. So if you notice, I've got some folders here, like ITS folder. Now, this is a ugly, horrifying mess. I have a lot of things in here that are not organized in any good way, shape, or form, but that's okay. This is all stuff that every once in a while I need to find it. I can go into my ITS folder and dig through all this nonsense, but it keeps my bookmarks bar from getting really cluttered. All my really high priority stuff that I use most of the time is in this part. And then these folders are more for just things I was like, maybe once in a blue moon, I need to find that bookmark. So to make a folder, you just click on add folder, call it whatever you want. You can even make folders inside of folders. You can nest them. Maybe I'll just call this my junk folder. Now I've got my junk folders. Now I can sit there and I can make a bookmark to anything and just put it in my junk folder. And there you go. All right. So this is one of those things where it's not going to change your life, but maybe it improves it by like 1%. And that's pretty good. So if you have any questions or you want me to help you organize your life, bookmarks, just hit me up and let me know.